Hey guys, Francis here, Mary Marketing. Hope everybody's having a terrific holiday season. 2024 is quickly approaching us e-commerce sellers, and I wanted to go over some of the things that I've seen over the past 12 months, over the past year, 2023. So here's the deal, as I always like to say, guys, okay? A lot of sellers getting deactivated, a lot of sellers using management companies that don't know what they're doing. They're getting their sellers' accounts deactivated, ripping them off with high fees, and really doing nothing for them. I would suggest doing your inventory, doing your homework. If you're struggling to run your Amazon account, if you're struggling to make money, if you have account deactivation or listing issues, contact me, guys. I can help you. I have a winning team behind me. My primary goal is results, okay, guys? So contact me 24/7, WhatsApp, email, toll free in the UK and USA, and I hope everybody has a great start to 2024.